Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial flowers perfect for spring and summer decor. If you're looking to brighten up your home with vibrant colors without the hassle of maintenance, you're in the right place. Introducing the artificial fake plants flowers for outdoor outside spring-summer decoration by Florisso. These lifelike daisy bundles are designed to add a touch of elegance and charm to any space, indoors or outdoors. What sets these flowers apart? Each bundle features 12 vibrant branches of hot red, purple, yellow, and hot pink daisies, complemented by realistic eucalyptus leaves, crafted from premium materials. They not only look like the real deal but also boast exceptional durability and UV resistance. No fading under the summer sun. Whether you're decorating your porch, patio, or even indoors, these flowers are versatile. They're perfect for creating stunning arrangements that stay vibrant all season long. Imagine them adorning your window boxes or brightening up your garden landscape effortlessly. Worried about maintenance? Don't be. These artificial daisies require zero watering or pruning, just set them up and enjoy. They're also easy to clean, making them ideal for busy households or anyone who wants a low-maintenance yet high-impact floral display. With over 2,000 units sold in the past month and glowing customer feedback, it's clear these flowers are a favorite. They're not just for everyday use. They're also perfect for special occasions like parties, weddings, and more. Plus, they come from a small business, so you're supporting craftsmanship and quality. Whether you're sprucing up your home decor or searching for the perfect gift, these artificial flowers are the best choice for adding a burst of color and elegance to any setting. Click the link in the description to get yours today and transform your space with these stunning, lifelike blooms. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on innovative products like this. See you next time.